this story, no friend, there were three friends, turtle, crow and mouse, and they were helping to each other and helping to another. And like this, we should also do that to help to another, our class fellows and another relatives, each and everything, neighbors, सबकी मदद करनी चाहिए. We should help to another, and then another will help to us. After reading and understanding the story, there is page number 11. Page number 11, there is the activity read and practice the given dialogues. There is the dialogues are giving and characters are giving. 3 characters are giving dialogues. We will do that activity by practice. And after this, answer the following question. This is the comprehension. These are the comprehensions, and we will do that and find the answers from the given text. And topic, sentence and supporting detail. Read the given paragraph and notice the use of the topic, sentence and supporting detail. Topic, sentence, supporting sentence. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A true friend is one who stays by your side at all times. After this, there is the page number 12, skimming. Skimming means to pick the main idea and the main information from a text. And there they read the given techniques for skimming a text. Here the techniques are given. By the help of these techniques, we will skim anything by these things. And after this, prediction. Prediction कहते हैं वक्त से पहले किसी चीज को समझ जाना. वक्त से पहले. How we can understand beforehand. वक्त से पहले कैसे समझ सकते हैं? Read the given text. There is a prior knowledge, contextual clues, prediction. Prior knowledge is that पिछली knowledge which is related to past. Written clues कि पिछली knowledge क्या थी, अब के क्या इशारे हैं. Clues, contextual clues. Clue कहते हैं इशारा, और contextual जो लिखा होता है हमारे पास, context होता है, मवाद, material होता है हमारे पास. उसके बाद है prediction. Then we will predict anything. उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, prediction देते हैं किसी चीज की कि ये पहले इस तरह था और इस तरह है, आगे इस तरह हो सकता है. That is. After this, there is a paragraph is given of 2 lines. Just 2 lines are there is blue color, and prior knowledge and contextual clues. Prior knowledge, पिछली knowledge क्या है इस paragraph में, वो लिखेंगे. After that, contextual clues क्या आ रहा है, and then we will predict that. उसके बाद हम prediction देंगे कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. Elements of a fable. Elements of a fable on page number 13. There is activity, another exercise given, and character, setting, plot, theme, conflict, resolution. These words are given and their explanation is given in front of these words. This is for enhance of vocabulary. Silent letters. Which are the silent letters? Here is in initial position and in final position. Silent T, silent H, B, K, W. Now we will see that how these words are silent, but we are written right, and each and everything. Silent letters are that which we are writing but not pronounced here. Like this. Silent T, they often. O-F-T-E-N. Spelling is O-F-T-E-N, but we can call it often. Listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. T is silent. Like this, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. On 3rd line, 2nd word, lamb. B is silent. Like this, another words which are indicating in red color, these are silent words. And now here is the blanks are given. We will put silent words in this, another silent words. After this, vocabulary focus. There are some words is given on page number 14. For vocabulary focus, friendship, consciousness, hovering, sprinkle, helpless. These words are given and meaning is given in front of these words. Compound words. Compound words are that then we can combine to 2 words and 1 meaning we can get. हम 2 words मिलाते हैं, एक meaning receive करते हैं. Like this, notebook. Note is another word, book is another word. When we can make compound of these, and then we will get another meaning. तीसरी meaning लेते हैं. Notebook, friendship. Friend is another thing, ship is another thing. When we can compound these, friendship, a new word we can receive. And sunlight. Sun is another word, light is another word. When we can combine these words, we can get another word, sunlight. After this, there is some another compound words are given, and we can make compounds of these words by connect to two words and make a compound meaning. After this, on page number 14, regular and irregular noun. There is a regular and irregular noun, and what is regular noun? Look at this, in which just we are adding s, जिसमें हम सिर्फ ऐड कर रहे हैं, like flower, flowers, turtle, turtles, friend, friends. This is regular noun, a kind of a regular noun. And another kind of regular noun is that in which we put es after sx, sh, ch, I and o. इनके बाद जब भी हम प्लूरल करेंगे एस एक्स एस एच सी एच आई ओ, उसके बाद तो ई एस, वी विल पुट ई एस in the end of the word. After this, irregular noun. Irregular noun is that like जिसमें end में y आता है, end में y आएगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, प्लूरल करते वक्त ies लगाएंगे. We will put ies in the end of the word when y comes in the end of the word. Like cherry, when we can make plural to cherry, cherries are I-R-R-I-E-S, cherries. Hobby, H-O-B-B-I-E-S, hobbies. Family, F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, because Y is the end of the word, and that's the reason we put I-E-S in the end of the word during plural. Some nouns are changed into plural by changing one or more vowels. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिस वर्ड को सिर्फ वही वर्ड होता है, जस्ट हम उसके अंदर चेंजिंग लाते हैं, इंटरनल चेंजिंग. While internal changing we can make plural to a word like man, man, just a singular man, men, man. This is the plural form of the man. And mouse, mice, mice is the plural form of the word. And tooth, teeth, tooth is a one tooth, and teeth are the both teeth. We can, and after this irregular noun, and we can form plural of a few noun by adding ren or en to the singular noun. हम ren और en भी ऐड करते हैं irregular noun में. जब like कैसे देखें, child, तो child में ren, we put ren in the end of the word children. Ox, oxen, en, that will make that. Now these are in plural form, children, oxen. And in the end, noun with no change in number. कुछ ऐसे noun जो change नहीं होते. Some nouns have the same form both singular and plural noun. कुछ nouns की same ही position रहती है singular and plural में. Like fish, fish, हम कभी भी fishing नहीं लिखते. fish का fish ही होता है. sheep का sheep ही होता है, कभी भी sheeps नहीं होता. deer का deer ही होता है. After this there is a blanks are given, write the plural of the giving words. Singular words are given. Now we will make plural by the help of above description. ऊपर की दी हुई description से हेल्प लेते हुए हम यहाँ पे प्लूरल्स पुट करेंगे और देखेंगे कि ऊपर किस तरह समझाया गया है. उसके बाद हम नीचे प्लूरल पुट करेंगे. पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन में चीज की शॉर्ट पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. इन पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन इसमें कब्जा ज़ाहिर होता है, किसी चीज का अपना होना, कब्जा होना. लाइक दिस बुक इज माइन, ये बुक मेरी है, तो इसमें माइन पोजेशन है. माइन, इट हैज माई नेम ऑन इट, इस पे मेरा नेम लिखा हुआ है, तो ये पोजीशन है। द कैट रैन आफ्टर इट्स ऑनर। इट्स क्या है यहाँ पे, पोजीशन को शो कर रहा है। इट्स वी बॉट दैट हाउस लास्ट ईयर, इट इज आवर्स। क्या हमने खरीदा था पिछले साल ये घर, ये अब हमारा है, हमारा। आवर्स। इज दिस कार यूअर्स। यूअर्स मतलब ये कार तुम्हारी है, किसी चीज का होना। यूअर्स मीन्स यहाँ पे यूअर्स पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन होगा। आफ्टर दिस रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, जहाँ से बात शुरू हो एंड भी वहीं पे होती है। लाइक दिस, आई क्लीन द रूम माई सेल्फ। मैंने रूम साफ किया था खुद ही। वी आर एंजॉइंग अवर सेल्फ। हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं अपने आप, खुद ही मतलब आपस में। यू आर टू यंग टू गो आउट बाय योर सेल्फ। यू आर टू यंग टू गो आउट बाय योर सेल्फ। क्या आप अब यंग हो गए हैं, आप खुद से बाहर जा सकते हैं। मतलब आपसे बात शुरू हुई, आप ही पे खत्म हो गई। यू शुड डू द डिशेज योर सेल्फ। आपको ये डिशेज बनानी चाहिए खुद ही। मतलब यहाँ भी आपसे शुरू, आप पे खत्म, मतलब जहाँ से बात शुरू होती है इसमें वहीं पे एंड हो रही होती है। तो ये होते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस। क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स। देयर आर क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन and we will do the answer of these questions. After this, tick the correct option. Correct options हमने put करने हैं यहाँ से ऊपर क्वेश्चन वर्ड से देखेंगे। That where is what is use of what, who is where, when, how, why, whose, whom. How these words are we are putting, and how the use of these words. We have already done these exercises, as you know, and then we will put these words in given blanks. After this, on page number 17, indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are given. A and N are indefinite articles, and we can put after, we can put at there where the singular noun is given. जहाँ पे singular noun होता है वहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, put करते हैं। A deer was drinking water. A deer. I am working on a project. We use an with words beginning with a vowel sound. हम an तब यूज करते हैं जब word noun vowels का sound दे रहा होता है। word क्या दे रहा होता है, vowels का sound। Like the turtle laid an egg. An egg vowels का sound दे रहा है, तो an आएगा सिर्फ। We will put an before egg. I have an hour for lunch. An hour. An hour. Hour क्या है, vowel की sound आ रही है शुरू में, hour. And we will put n. After this, here the blanks are given, and A and N, where there is the activity you will do that, and where is where is put, and where is the need of n in blank, and that's your work. And you will put these articles in given blanks. After this, writing focus activity is given. After this, writing focus activity is given. Elements of a story. This is activity for the writing skills. After this, writing a paragraph. We will write the paragraph on my friends in notebooks, and keywords in questions. Keywords like this: describe, explain, compare, discuss, who. And these are the main keywords which are the highlighted, and these are the starting point of the story or sentences. This is keywords. And reread the text and answer the given question in your notebook. Describe the character of the hero. Describe the character of Kiro. What's the character of Kiro in this story? And then explain the theme of the fable. Jazakallah.